Hey there! Today we're checking out the Ninja DualBrew coffee maker. Now, let's see what comes in the box and how this high-tech coffee system works. First up, we have the user manual. It's very detailed with clear drawings and diagrams that make it easy to follow and get started with your coffee maker. Then we have the quick start guide that helps you get brewing right away. It has all the necessary information on all the details of the features this coffee maker has. Next, we have the frother attachment. This is for frothing milk for lattes, cappuccinos, and other specialty drinks. Then we have the gold mesh reusable coffee filter. It comes with a sturdy handle, feels very high quality, and is environmentally friendly since you can use it again and again. Now, here's the coffee pot. It's made of glass with a classic coffee pot design and a high quality premium feel. When you place it on the base, the coffee flows through this little spout here perfectly, and the built in warmer keeps the coffee nice and hot after brewing. Up top, we have the K cup compartment, which lets you use pods for quick coffee. If you prefer to use coffee grounds, simply remove the K cup compartment. Place the reusable filter inside and pull it forward. Now you can brew your coffee grounds with ease. This coffee maker also has a drop down tray for your cup or mug when you're using the K cups, so you don't have to use the entire pot. The water reservoir is convenient with clear markings to measure your water. It even has two positions so you can swivel it from back or side axis. Here's a quick demonstration of how you can reposition it from the side to the back. Now, back to this frother. All you have to do is just attach it to the arm and push a button, and you'll get silky smooth froth for your drinks. After you finish using the frother, you just fold it back in towards the body of the coffee maker and it tucks in nicely. Now, this set also includes a scoop to measure the perfect amount of coffee each time. There's also a hot water option, which uses a separate channel so you can get plain hot water without any coffee taste. Overall, this is a futuristic premium coffee maker with so many features you might not even know you needed. It's highly functional, versatile, and perfect for coffee lovers looking to take their brewing game to the next level.